Hello guys, back again with another new video tutorial. In this video I will tell you about the Bluetooth problem in your device Vivo Y55 and Y55 5G. So if in this device you are having any problem related to the Bluetooth, like your Bluetooth is not working or not connecting, or any other Bluetooth related problem, you can solve it by the method as I will show you in this video. For starting it, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the Bluetooth problem in your device. Let's watch it.